Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how to make the new Taco Bell Mexican pizza my way. As you know, Taco Bell brought the pizza back, and so I decided to make it at home. So you want to use the good stuff. You already know I always tell y'all, if you're going to use like the ground meat and stuff, get the good stuff, the really lean, and go up a little bit more in price. I know some people can't do it, but just get the best you can. So I'm going to brown my ground meat in the pan. You probably could use ground turkey, but I just wanted to straight up just do it. And so, yeah, again, I'm just doing it my own little way, you know, and with my own type of seasonings that I want to use. So I'm using some ancho chili powder, some chicken bouillon powder. You don't want to do too much seasoning and over salt the meat, because essentially this is a layered dish. So every layer has flavor. You don't want to over season and over salt and over saturate the dish. So now I'm going to add this salsa that I'm using. I'm using salsa instead of enchilada sauce. That's just my little thing. I wanted to use that instead. More flavor, you know, the tomatoes are up in there and it's good to go. Add some water, cover it, and let it cook for about 10-15 minutes on low while we work on everything else. So now I'm going to make the refried beans. I'm going to saute garlic and shallots. Now you can buy the stuff in the can. I mean, you know, but you already know I was going to do it myself. But I drained out some of the juice and then I added the beans to the pan. And I'm going to let it cook down nice and good with the shallots and the garlic. This smelled so good, by the way. It was my favorite part. Like, I love beans. I don't know why I love beans so much, but I love beans. So I added a little chicken bouillon powder, black pepper, and let it cook for about, 10 minutes. And then I got to smashing. Okay, period. After about 10 minutes, I started smashing it with the back of my plastic spoon. I know, Misha, why you got this plastic in this pan? But listen, I'm not trying to scrape up my pan. You can put this in a food processor or use a potato masher. You know, it is what it is. So to give this some freshness and brightness, I finished this off with some lime juice and cilantro. And that's it. The beans were my favorite part. I even got some in the fridge right now. I'm about to heat it up with some rice and some cucumber salad, and that's probably going to be dinner. I love beans, y'all. So this is pretty much it. This is the dish in itself. If you don't want no meat, put this with some rice and some vegetables and some Kool-Aid, lemonade, and you good, period. So now I'm going to fry off my tortillas. You probably don't have to put it in oil. You could probably spray it and put it in the air fryer. I didn't have any spray, so I fried mine. Some people deep fried it, but I wasn't going to do that. So I just put like a quick fry on it to get it crispy. So now I'm going to layer it. I'm going to add the refried beans down on here, just like this. Look how amazing and beautiful that looks. Taco Bell could never, okay? Taco Bell's ain't got no cilantro and lime. I'm just kidding. Add the meat on top. A little bit of cheese. You don't want to drown it in cheese right now because the top is going to have cheese as well. What I liked most about this dish is you can make a lot for a little bit, if you know what I'm saying. Like the amount that I made with the ingredients I had, I could have made like 3 or 4 of these, and you know that can stretch for a lot of people. And, you know, the ingredients, I believe, was like $20, $15 or $20 for everything. So, you know, just bargain shop. The only thing I don't skimp on, y'all, I don't skimp on eggs and meat. Everything else, honey, I'll be all up in the dollar stores. But eggs and meat and vegetables, I just do not skimp because, child, you already know. So I topped it off with the salsa, some more cheese, tomatoes, some pickled jalapenos, popped it in my air fryer. And it was just good to go. And it came out looking like this. Look at this. Would I make this again? Probably for guests. Maybe if I had guests over and things like that. But to make this every day, every week, it's not something that any of us should be eating every day, every week. Because, you know, the cheese, the oil, the fat, this, that. So, you know, everything in moderation and you'll be good to go. So this is how it looks. Super cheesy, delicious, stacked. My mouth is watering. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.